Hello po, Kokapel. This is Watashi from Japan. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Watashi desu.
Happy birthday, Captain L and my Gugma. Thank you so much for coming into my life as part of the IB Choms, and I hope you will enjoy your day and more years to come. Take care always. Love you.
Hello everyone, it's me, Missy. Okay, mag-greet lang po ako, slight greet lang po. Happy birthday sa Kokap L namin or Limay. Happy birthday Limay. Thank you for the friendship. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hi Kokap L, happy birthday. Pasensya ka na dito sa very short birthday greetings video ko. Kasi sobrang busy ko lately. Alam mo na, pag month of May, buwan ng mga bulaklak, maraming nagpapaganda at rumarampage sa kalsada kahit sobrang init. Ayan. Anyway, sana po mag-enjoy ka ng sobra dahil birthday mo ngayon. Ayan. Pati tuloy ako na lagi nakikimanchi sa'yo, eto ang napapala. Look. See? Manchi 1, Manchi 2. Eto yung Manchi 3, medyo pawala na siya. Ayan. Happy born day. Happy in love every day. Every day Manchi. What else? More happiness to come. More blessings to come. And more Manchi to come. Wala akong masabi. Ayun. Happy Manchi. Happy birthday. Wala akong masabi, grabe. Nagmamadali. Bye-bye! Happy birthday po ulit. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, Guma, happy birthday. Always be what you are. Smile, happy, cheerful, and be there for everyone. Sobrang appreciate ko nang kilala kita. Magipit ng 3 years, more than that. Maging 4 years naman tayo makikilala. And I just hope you happy, stay healthy, and magsimba lagi, and magdasal palagi. Okay? So I hope you guys have a great day, and happy birthday to you, Princess. And thank you so much.
Hi, Kokap L. Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Stay healthy. Tsaka, ano pa ba? Stay pretty. Ayun. Enjoy your day po. Happy birthday.
Hi guys! Carmela here. Dito na tayo kasi dumating din sa contact ko kasi kaarawan niya ngayon. So, kahit na walang kaarawan sa kanila, pero andito pa rin tayo na mga kaibigan niya na nakaalala sa kaarawan niya. So, ngayon ko, Kapel, sana, masaya ka sa kaarawan mo na ito. At sana, masaya ka sa ginagawa natin na video para sa iyo. So, siguro naman hindi mo ito inaasahan na may gumagawa nito, pero hindi ka namin nakakalimutan bilang kaibigan. So, salamat po, Kapel, kasi andyan ka lagi. Napabait mo na ko, Kapel. So, maligayang bati, maligayang kaarawan, more birthdays to come. I love you, Kapel.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday sa co-captain ng Dude Family na napakabait. Hindi nang bubuli ng mga members niya, tsaka sobrang ganda, tsaka matangkad. Ayan. Happy birthday.
Bunso Air, just wanna greet you happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Wish ko someday nagkaroon ka rin ng jowa, ma-indaw ka rin. Ulit, di ba? Pero nandito lang ate mo. Anytime na may gusto mong kausap. Papasalamat pala ako sa time na pag may ino-open akong sa Manalo, nandyan ka. Nandyan ka pa rin ever since noon hanggang ngayon. Hindi ka nagbago sa akin. Matagal na rin ako sa group. Kaya thank you for the friendship. Thank you so much, Bunso. Ingat lagi and enjoy your special day of yours. Bye! Love you!
Hello, Kokapel. Just want to greet you a happy birthday. Just enjoy your day and I pray to God na sana bigyan ka na ni Lord ng love life. Ayun lang. Enjoy. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jael! Ayan, birthday mo na ngayon. So, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo lahat ng mga pangarap mo matupad, lahat ng problema malagpasan, lahat ng gusto mo sana mangyari. Yan lang naman yung palagi nating hinihiling. No? At especially yung ating health. Kahit lagi tayong napupuyat sa PR dahil sa mga drama-drama natin no, sa buhay. Pero okay lang yan kasi part yan ng ating life. Ayan, so happy birthday ulit. I wish you more birthdays to come. And then enjoy your day. Enjoy your day, Day, ha. Andito lang kami palagi para sa iyo. Huwag ka malulungkot pag may problema ka. Nandito lang naman ako lagi. So, happy birthday.
Hello, go Captain L. Happy birthday po. This is Spike from Dude Family. More birthday to come. Again, happy birthday, Go Captain L. Rock and roll.
Hi, Kokap L. It's me, Katie. Gusto ko lang bumati sa iyo ng happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw. Marami pang taon na darating sa iyo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa aming princess ko, Captain L. I love you.